Thank you once again. This is Nicholas here. We are we are going to look how we can install Red Hat server and Red Hat client in our VirtualBox. Okay. As I told you, when you're installing the same computer, you can use clone. But for now, I will not clone because I need it to have different sizes. Okay. What I'm going to do now is this is the computer which I don't want it. I have to delete this one. Okay, I have to create. Let me do. I want to install Red Hat, but I don't want to use all of this. Red Hat. I continue to this. Okay, 64-bit. It is enough for me. Yes, I have to reduce this one a little bit. I want to make it 512. Okay, because of my computer storage. Okay, I go for 20 GB. Okay, I will finish this. You see this icon with the hat. Okay, yeah. If I can, okay, let me start one. I will clone it. One will be Red Hat server and other will be Red Hat client. Okay, I have to set. I will do the same as I told you in the previous video for Windows. Okay, I have to come here, network. I want it to be on rigid. Okay, I do like this. Storage, I have to here storage. You have to choose the operating system. When you don't have it, you go to choose. But for me, because I have using it, I have Red Hat image. Okay, I click it. But for you, if you don't have it, remember, you come here and you choose and you find it to the folder where you have saved it. Okay, let me cancel because I have inserted it. Okay, Red Hat IOC. I click OK. After clicking OK, I do start. Okay, now it is going to start. Have to wait. You see it is coming. Let me remove this. Okay, I do this. Okay, we go for the first installation. Remember, in the Red Hat, when you have the cursor like this, for example, when I have to click on skip, you see I lose my mouse. So you have to click Control in order to bring it back. Okay, don't be stuck with this issue. Okay, I click skip. Okay, and I go for next. Okay, next, I use English. I go for basic storage. I go to initialize all. I change my host name. Let me use the same. That is 26492. Okay, host name, let us 26492. Okay, I have to click to find Kigali, because for me I'm located in Kigali, but if it is harder to find it, you can come here. But here it is very difficult to get it. You have to come here. Sorry for this. I zoomed it, but for you, I hope you will find it. This is Kigali. Okay, you see Kigali it is now. I do like this. Password, I would type the password the same. I type Nicholas Arbaz 123. Let me also 123. Okay, for you, we use what you want. It will tell you that it is weak, but I will use anyway. Okay, I go choose for create customer. I go next. I go to this is the free space I have in my this machine of Red Hat. I create. I'm going to make a root. I'll make it 10 10,000. My root will be 10,000, and I come here to create what we call swap. So this is for used in Red Hat. Okay, 24. Okay, for now we are good. Swaps like the half of your RAM of the computer you have. When this computer, when this computer is RAM of 4 GB, you make a half. Okay, for me I swap by half and I make 10. Okay, when I do this, I come here and I go next, and I format, I write changes, and I have to go next. Okay, you choose desktop in order to get the screen, visible screen. Okay, you go like this. Okay, for now I want this to be the server. When it is installing, I can start by installing the client. Okay, I told you, let's not use the cron again. It is better to install it because this will take a time. When it takes time, I will be installing the client. Okay, I go by new LC1, all LC only, 26492. Sorry, I will choose here Linux. It is Linux. I will go for Red Hat 64-bit. Okay, I'll go for next. The RAM will be the same. Let me do this. Next. But I want to change this. The version of the Red Hat I'm using, it has to be the same. Okay, as you see, this one I'm using Red Hat 64-bit. Okay, let me do this. LS1 26492. Like this. We come here, Red Hat 64. Okay, now it is good. Yeah, okay, it is very well. Okay, I have to minimize. I put it there. I go next. Next. I have to set all of this the same. Sorry. I do the same. I will do the same. Okay, how to start it? Okay, we go the same. Remember, this is my server, this is my client. Client is the computer used to access the services or any shared folders from the server. Okay, I'm here. Go for Kigali. See the password. This video, it is going in the way that you will see everything. Okay, don't lash, follow very well. We create, I try to put it slow, and you will see everything. Okay, then okay, I create the swap. See now also Redhat client, it is now also starting. So you see my server, it is now complete. It asked me to reboot. Okay, I will come here. Before I boot, I will check if it is unchecked. Okay, if it is unchecked, I will continue. I will go for reboot. Don't be stuck when you don't have many computer. You can create computers as you want, any computer you want in VirtualBox. Okay, in case you have the operating system of it. Okay, yeah, username, boy, this is the username which I will use. Let me continue. ls1 26492. For you, you can use any you want. For me, let me use that one. And the password, I will continue my password also. I don't want to stress my mind by remembering the passwords. You can use what you want or what you have given. Yes, I'll go for this. This is the date of today. Yes, this is for this. It's okay. I have to finish. You see now it is now Redhat. It is now okay. I can log in by typing the password. See, it is now open. See, now I have the Redhat server computer open. Okay, see, I can access the terminal. I would see my working directory, pwd. You see now I am in home directory. Okay, if I type like init 0, it will ask me to need to be root. When you need to be root, you type cu. You can't configure anything in Redhat when you are not root user. Okay, the password is this. Okay, see, you can't see my password when I type it, but you see when it is okay, it is be reaching here. Let me you see now I have finished to install it. Let's wait for this client also. This is how you install your Linux computer. This is for Redhat. Okay, Redhat computer. Linux, you have different operating system like Kali, Ubuntu, and there is other Debians. Okay, CentOS. Okay, for now we use Redhat. Okay, make sure you do everything very well. Now we have finished to install the server, and the client also is also done. I reboot. I come here. I have to check if my disk it is unplugged. Yes, it's unplugged. I come here and I go for reboot. Okay, when you reboot, you know that the computer it will restart. Okay, when it start, you wait for those seconds they ask you to wait. Yeah, now it is coming. You go forward. Yes, forward. You go forward. You go forward. The name also LC1. Okay, don't worry. I tap in my client LC1 and also in my server. But we will change it later, no problem. LC1. Password is you see now also my Red Hat client it is now able to be used. I have to log in. It is also okay for now. Now it's also in home directory. I want to change the root user to be root user. Okay, let me finish all of this. Okay, thank you. For now we are completing installing our Red Hat computer server and the client. Let's switch it off. Now I am switch it off. We will be back to see how you can install your pfSense. Thank you. Bye bye.